हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल अलका एकेडमी। मैं हूं आपकी फ्रेंड अलका। आप अगर बीएड एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो टीचिंग एप्टीट्यूड आपके लिए एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट रहने वाला है। तो मैं लाई हूं टॉप 1000 इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के कलेक्शंस जो आपके एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। इस पूरी सीरीज़ को अच्छे से कंप्लीट कीजिए फ्रेंड्स। ये एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड क्वेश्चन से आपके एग्ज़ाम में ज़रूर पूछे जाएंगे और आपके एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, हम अपनी वीडियो की ओर बढ़ते हैं। तो आपको अगर मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करके आने वाले सारे वीडियोस के लिए अपडेट रहें। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, हम आज के अपने क्वेश्चंस की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 281, अ टीचर्स मेजर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टूवर्ड्स द मैक्सिमम सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट इज अफेक्टेड थ्रू स्ट्रिक्ट कंट्रोल ऑफ क्लासरूम एक्टिविटीज़, कॉन्स्टेंट फुलफिलमेंट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स नीड्स, strict reinforcement of academic standard and sensitivity to students needs, goals and purposes। तो एक टीचर्स मेजर कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या होता है? सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी, सेंसिटिविटी टू स्टूडेंट्स नीड्स, गोल्स एंड पर्पसेस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 282, when a normal student behaves in an erratic manner in the class, you would ignore the student, talk to the student after the class, ask the student to leave the class and pull up the student then and there। तो अगर कोई नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट क्लासरूम में इरेक्टिक बिहेवियर करता है तो क्या करना चाहिए? सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर बी, टॉक टू स्टूडेंट्स आफ्टर द क्लास। क्वेश्चन नंबर 283, गुड इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ रिटेन मटेरियल शुड नॉट बी बेस्ड ऑन लॉजिकल प्रेजेंटेशन, linguistic expression, comprehension of subject, and ability to reproduce whatever is read। So, good evaluation of written material should not be based on comprehension of subject। So, right answer is option number C। Question number 283, sorry friends, ये दोबारा आ गया है। Why do teachers use teaching aid for students' attention? To make teaching fun-filled, to make students attentive, and to teach within understanding level of students। तो टीचर टीचिंग एड का क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? सो टू टीच विद इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल ऑफ स्टूडेंट। सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 284, एटीट्यूड्स, कॉन्सेप्ट्स, स्किल्स एंड नॉलेज आर प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ हेरिडिटी, लर्निंग, रिसर्च एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन। सो attitude, concepts, skills and knowledge are products of learning। So right answer is option number B। Question number 285, which among the following gives more freedom to the learner to interact? Use of film, lectures by experts, small group discussion, viewing countrywide classroom program on TV। So small group discussion gives more freedom to the learners to interact। Question number 286, which of the following is not a product of learning? Attitudes, concepts, maturation and knowledge। So maturation is not a product of learning। So right answer is option number C। Question number 287, the university which telecasts interaction educational program through its own channel is University of Pune, Osmania University, अनामलाई यूनिवर्सिटी एंड इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी इग्नू। तो कौन सा यूनिवर्सिटी अपने एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम को टेलीकास्ट करते हैं खुद के चैनल पे? सो राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर डी, इंदिरा गांधी नेशनल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी इग्नू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 288, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्किल्स आर नीडेड फॉर प्रेजेंट डे टीचर्स टू एडजस्ट इफेक्टिवली विद द क्लासरूम टीचिंग? कंटेंट मास्टरी, knowledge of students' needs, use of technology in teaching learning, and all of the above। So right answer option number D, all of the above। सारे स्किल्स ज़रूरी हैं क्लासरूम टीचिंग के लिए। ओके। क्वेश्चन नंबर 299, हु हैज़ साइंड एट MOU फॉर accreditation of teachers educational institutes in India? NAAC and UGC, UGC and NCTE, NCTE and NAAC, and NCTE and IGNOU। So NCTE and NAAC has signed an MOU for accreditation of teachers education institutions in India। Question number 290, the primary duty of the teacher is to imbibe value system in the students, help all round development of the students, raise the intellectual standard of the students, and improve the physical standard of the students। So the primary duty of the teacher is to help all round development of the students. So right answer option number B. Question number 291. Micro teaching is more effective always, after the teaching practice, during the teaching practice, during the preparation for teaching practice. So micro teaching is more effective during the teaching practice. Question number 292. What quality the students like the most in a teacher? Discipline, compassion, entertaining, and idealist philosophy. So discipline quality the student like the most in a teacher. Question number 293. Which of the following is more interactive and student centric? Group discussion, workshop, seminar, and lecture. So group discussion is more interactive and student centric. Question number 294. Which one of the following is the most important quality of a good teacher? Content mastery, punctuality and sincerity, content mastery and sociable, content mastery and reactive. So content mastery and reactive is the right answer. Question number 295. The primary responsibility for the teacher's adjustment lies with the principal, the children, the community, and the teacher himself. So the primary responsibility for the teacher's adjustment lies with the principal. Question number 296. As per the NCT norms, what should be the staff strength for a unit of 100 students at B.Ed level? 1 plus 5, 1 plus 7, 1 plus 8 and 1 plus 10. तो NCT norms के staff का strength क्या होता है 100 students B.Ed level? तो 1 plus 10. Right answer option number D. Question number 297 की ओर चलते हैं friends. Research has shown that the most frequent symptom of nervous instability among teachers is worry, fatigue, digestive upset and explosive behavior. So research क्या शो करता है कि टीचर्स के नर्वस में क्या इंस्टेबल होता है? Explosive behavior. So right answer option number D. Question number 298. Which one of the following statements is correct? Syllabus is an accessor to the curriculum. Curriculum does not include methods of evaluation. Curriculum is the same in all educational curriculum. Curriculum includes both formal and informal education. So right answer option number D. Curriculum includes both formal and informal education. Question number 299. Some students in a class exhibit great curiosity for learning. It may be because such students are gifted, come from rich families, show artificial behavior and create indiscipline in the class. तो कुछ स्टूडेंट्स तो लर्निंग की ओर बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी एग्जिबिट करते दिखाते हैं, इसका क्या हो सकता है? सो इट मे बी बिकॉज सच स्टूडेंट्स आर गिफ्टेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 300. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वालिटी ऑफ अ गुड टीचर इज गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, इफेक्टिव लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज, कंसर्न फॉर टीचर्स वेलफेयर एंड साउंड नॉलेज ऑफ सब्जेक्ट मैटर. So the most important quality of a good teacher is sound knowledge of subject matter. So right answer option number D. Question number 301. Which one of the following is appropriate in respect of teacher-student relationship? Indifferent, cordial and respectful, limited to classroom only, and very informal and intimate. So cordial and respectful is appropriate in respect of teacher-student relationship. Question number 302. The academic performance of teachers can be improved if parents are encouraged to arrange for extra tuition, remain unconcerned about it, interact with teachers frequently and supervise the work of their wards. The academic performance of students can be improved if the parents are encouraged to supervise the work of their ward. Question number 303. In a lively classroom situation, there is likely to be complete silence, occasional roars of laughter, loud discussion among students and frequent teacher-student dialogue. तो एक lively classroom situation में क्या होना चाहिए? There are likely to be frequent teacher-student dialogue. Question number 304. If a parent approaches the teacher to do some favor to his her ward in the examination, the teacher should try to help him, refuse politely and formally, ask him rudely to go away and ask him not to talk in those terms. तो right answer option number B, refuse politely and formally. Question number 305. For maintaining an effective discipline in the class, the teacher should deal with the student strictly, deal with them politely and formally, allow students to do what they like and give the students some problem to solve. तो क्लास में डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करने के लिए टीचर को करना चाहिए डील विद देम पोलाइटली एंड फॉर्मली. Question number 306. An effective teaching aid is one which activates all faculties, is visible to all students, easy to prepare and use, and is colorful and good looking. So an effective teaching aid is one which activates all faculties. So right answer option number A. Question number 307. Those teachers are popular among students who award good grades, develop intimacy with them, help them solve their problems, take classes on extra tuition fee. So those teachers are popular among students who help them solve their problems. Question number 309. The essence of an effective classroom environment is strict discipline, pin drop silence, a variety of teaching aids, and lively student-teacher interaction. The essence of an effective classroom environment is lively students-teacher interaction. So right answer is option number D. Question number 310. On the first day of his class, if a teacher is asked by the students to introduce himself, he should tell them about himself in brief, ask them to meet after the class, ignore the demand and start teaching, scold a student for this unwanted demand. तो right answer option number A. Tell them about himself in brief. उन्हें अपने बारे में brief में बताना चाहिए. Question number 311. Moral values can be effectively inculcated among the students when the teacher himself practices them, tells in stories of great persons, talk of gods and godness, frequently talk about values. So right answer is option number A. Question number 312. By which of the following method are the true evaluation of the teachers is possible? Formative evaluation, continuous evaluation, evaluation twice in a year, and evaluation at the end of the course. So continuous evaluation method, the true evaluation of the students is possible. Question number 313. Which of the following belongs to a project at Globe, Diorama, Blackboard, and Eddie-Diascope? So Eddie-Diascope belongs to a project aid. So right answer is option number D. Project aid में help करता है. Question number 314. When some students are deliberately attempting to disturb the discipline of the class by making mischief, what will be your role as a teacher? Isolate those students, expelling those students, reform the group with your authority, and give them an opportunity for introspection and improve their behavior. तो अगर कोई बच्चा जानबूझकर क्लास को डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है मिसचीफ करके, एक टीचर का रोल होना चाहिए कि उन्हें गिविंग देम एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर इंट्रोस्पेक्शन, सुधारने का और अपने बिहेवियर को इम्प्रूव करने का. Question number 315. A teacher is said to be fluent in asking questions if he can ask meaningful questions, as many questions as possible, many meaningful questions in a fixed time, and maximum number of questions in a fixed time. So a teacher is said to be fluent in asking questions if he can ask meaningful questions. Question number 316. Which of the following qualities is most essential for a teacher? He should have patience, he should be learned person, he should be a well-dressed person, and he should be an expert in his subject. एक टीचर में essential qualities होना चाहिए. He should have patience, उनमें patience होनी चाहिए. Question number 307. If you get an opportunity to teach a visually challenged students along with normal students, what type of treatment would you like to give him in the class? तो अगर आपको ये opportunity मिले कि visually देखने योग्य स्टूडेंट्स का प्रॉब्लम के साथ आप नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाएं तो कौन से ट्रीटमेंट का यूज़ करना चाहिए? टेक केयर ऑफ हिम sympathetically in the classroom, not giving extra attention because majority may suffer, arrange a sit in front row and try to teach at a pace convenient to him, and you will think that blindness is his destiny and hence you cannot do anything. So right answer option number C, arrange a seat in the front row and try to teach at a pace convenient to him. उन्हें फ्रंट सीट में बैठाना चाहिए और कन्वीनियंट टीच करना चाहिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 318. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a good achievement test? Validity, ambiguity, reliability, and objectivity. तो एम्बिग्यूटी नहीं है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक गुड अचीवमेंट टेस्ट का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 319, फॉर अ टीचर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग मेथड्स वुड बी करेक्ट फॉर राइटिंग ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड? राइटिंग फास्ट एंड as clearly as possible, writing the important points as clearly as possible, writing the matter first and then asking students to read it, asking a question to students and then writing the answer as stated by them. So writing the important points as clearly as possible is the correct for writing on the blackboard. So right answer is option number B. Question number 320, dynamic approach to teaching means teaching should be forceful and effective. Teachers should be energetic and dynamic. The topic of teaching should not be static but dynamic. The teachers should be required to learn through activities. So dynamic approach to teaching means the students should be required to learn through activities is the right dynamic approach to teaching means. Question number 321, for an effective, efficient and durable learning, learners should have ability to learn only, opportunities to learn only, requisite level of motivation only, and desired level of ability and motivation. So for an efficient and durable learning, learners should have desired level of ability and motivation. So right answer is option number D. Question number 322, interaction inside the classroom should generate ideas, argument, information and controversy. तो interaction inside the classroom should generate ideas. Question number 323, spare the rod and spoil the child gives the message that children should be beaten with rods, corporeal punishment is not acceptable, undesirable behavior must be punished, and punishment in the class should be banned. तो spare the rod and spoil the child का मीनिंग क्या है? ये क्या मैसेज देता है कि अनडिज़ायरेबल बिहेवियर मस्ट बी पनिश, तो अनडिज़ायरेबल बिहेवियर को पनिश जरूर करना चाहिए. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 324, द टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन दैट द टीचर हैज़ इन द क्लासरूम इज टर्म्ड एज इंटरपर्सनल, mass communication, group communication and face-to-face communication. So the type of communication that the teacher has in the classroom, group communication. Okay. Question number 325. The blackboard can be utilized best by a teacher for making the students attentive, highlighting the teacher himself, writing the important and notable points, and putting the matter of teaching in the blackboard. So the blackboard can be utilized best by a teacher for writing the important and notable points. So right answer is option number C. Question number 326 क्यों चलते हैं. Nowadays the most effective mode of learning is blended learning, e-learning, both A and B, and self-study. So nowadays the most effective mode of learning is both A and B, blended learning and e-learning. Blended learning मतलब मैं सारे learning, face to face learning, electronic learning, online learning सारे आते हैं, और e-learning, online learning. Question number 327. At the primary school stage, most of the teachers should be women because they are available on lower salaries, can teach children better than men, can know basic content better than men, and can deal with children with love and affection. So can deal with children with love and affection. Question number 328. Which one is the highest order of learning? Chain learning, problem solving learning, conditioned reflex learning, and stimulus responses learning. So conditioned reflex learning is the highest order of learning. Question number 329. A person can enjoy teaching as a profession when he has control over students, is very close to higher authorities, commands respect from students, and is more qualified than his colleagues. The person can enjoy teaching as a profession when he commands respect from students. So right answer is option number C. Question number 330 or last question. A diagram speaks more than 1,000 words. The statement means that the teacher should use diagram in teaching, use teaching aid in the class, not speak too much in the class, and speak more in the class. तो फ्रेंड्स ये क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए, इस क्वेश्चंस के आंसर को आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताना है. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो आज के 50 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट होते हैं. तो फिर हम अगली वीडियो में और सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस के साथ मिलेंगे। तो आप इसी तरह मेरी वीडियो में बने रहें और सारी सीरीज़ को अच्छे से कंप्लीट कीजिए। और जितने भी क्वेश्चंस आपसे बताए जा रहे हैं, आपको बताए जा रहे हैं, सारे एग्ज़ाम में ज़रूर पूछे जाएंगे। तो अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट या क्वेश्चन है तो आप मुझसे कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं। तो अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करके आने वाले सारे वीडियोज़ के लिए अपडेट रहें। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, फिर हम अगली वीडियो में मिलते हैं। तो आप अपना ख्याल रखिए, अपने पेरेंट्स का ख्याल रखिए। थैंक यू।